Hey everybody, I'm Scott Anderson. Welcome back to Stronger Yoga Academy. And if you want to make your standing splits stronger, check out this video. So I'm here again with my friend Monica, and I've got an orange, not because Monica needs more vitamin C, because this is gonna really help explain something that's gonna make your practice stronger. So I'm gonna have Monica turn to the top of the mat, and she's gonna just reach down and lift her leg. So this is a standing splits that you might see in your yoga class, right? So when the leg is straight, the glute, which can function as an extensor but also a hip rotator, it tries to do both. And it's much easier to pull the hip up and over and stack it on the standing leg, right? We don't want to do easy, we want to do stronger. So what she's going to do is bring this hip down and forward. She could do that with a straight leg, but here's what I want you to think about. Here's an orange. Now, you may not have an orange at home, but Monica is going to try to squeeze the juice out of this orange. That means she's going to be squeezing and tightening that hamstring. And then she's going to point her big toe at the ceiling. Rolling the right hip down and forward. That means her right knee is pressing into the midline. So she's going to hug to the midline there. While she's squeezing this orange, she's going to try to lift it and touch the ceiling with her big toe. Now she's getting a lot of strength out of her back line, which is putting more tension on this line on her left leg. But one more thing. If the camera comes down, she's going to plant her fingertips and just try to glide her collarbones over the top of her mat so that her back is straighter. So now that her back is straight, she's trying to go hard forward and press her chest to the front of her shirt. Let's go back and take a look at this, because look at this. She's still doing this, hugging and squeezing this orange, hugging the knee to the midline, and trying to lift the squeezing orange up to the ceiling and touch the ceiling with her big toe. That, my dear, is a stronger pose. That was amazing, Monica. We're here to make your poses stronger, make your practice stronger, and we'll be back soon with another video. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video on our instructional series. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. Be sure and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always up to speed on when our new content comes out. We're really passionate about helping yoga practitioners and yoga teachers get stronger in their teaching and in their practice. We've got more great videos on YouTube and lots of great content on our website. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.